Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be driving up to the Kolob Canyons in beautiful 4K Ultra HD from my DASHCAM on my 2020 trip out west. You can view more awesome 4K videos like this on my channel and help make more videos like these possible by just clicking that subscribe button. Right now, I'm starting on I-15 north out of St. George and Washington, Utah, through the beautiful scenery of southwest Utah towards exit 40 in the Kolob Canyons, which are part of the amazing Zion National Park. This is all a part of my day's drive past Zion and Bryce National Parks to Salt Lake City, Utah, so make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss a second of it. Also, before you go, be sure to leave a comment or a like to show me you're here. I love getting comments and interacting with you all, so make sure to at least say hello before you go. So while you're leaving that comment and or hitting that like and subscribe button, I'm going to continue heading north on I-15 towards the amazing Kolob Canyons. that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, I will share with you some GoPro footage of the Kolob Canyons, so make sure you subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching. Until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.